Good afternoon. This is Komali Ambedkar. Just now I came for stand with the PDSU students, Progressive Democratic Students Union, PDSU. The PDSU students, they were protesting. The protesting took place Khammam. Why they were protesting? What is the reason? Means actually the Telangana government, which is the right now government, the government they had not debit the which is the outstanding scholarship and fee reimbursement obligation. That is why they took the protest and they were the PDSU students, they were besieged the offices of the Batti Vikramarka, the deputy CMs and the Tummala Nageshwar Rao, who is the agriculture minister. Their both offices was seized by the PDSU student due to account of the 8,200 crore of money the debited, which is the mountain of money debited since the 18 months, which when the government formed the since 18 months, the still now they hadn't credit, they hadn't debit, which is the scholarship and reimbursement of obligation. That is why they took the protest at the Khammam and they seized. The government have been areas the elude of scholarships and reimbursement of obligation since the 18 months. The PDSU students, the union leader Venkatesh, Vanguri Venkatesh, he threatened to government of the Telangana. Right now, this protest Hethatro only Khammam district, might the government will not release the scholarship and reimbursement. We would take the protest across the state like that. They were threatened and they were warned to the government. That is why I am also giving the message to the government of Telangana. Should be give the which was the pending debit, which was the mountain of debit should be released. Not a small debit, that one. 8,200 crores of rupee. That is why government should be released and should be give them what they are demanding, what they were protesting. This is my message, friends. Up to clear the scholarships and the outstanding scholarship and the fee reimbursement of obligation, I stand with the PDSU students. This is my message, friends. Thank you. Jai Bhim.